If you're looking to upgrade your fork with some stylish and functional replacement heads, the Fortex Super Fork replacement heads in Hunter Green are an excellent choice. These replacement heads are crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and a long-lasting performance that can handle even the toughest tasks. The Hunter Green color adds a touch of elegance and uniqueness, making your equipment stand out while blending well with a variety of other tools and gear. One of the standout features of these replacement heads is their versatility. They fit a wide range of standard fork handles, making them a practical choice for anyone who needs to replace or upgrade their existing fork heads. The precision in the design ensures a secure fit, so you won't have to worry about any wobbling or instability during use. Additionally, the Fortex Super Fork replacement heads are easy to install. You don't need any specialized tools or extensive experience to get them set up. Just follow the straightforward instructions provided, and you'll have them ready in no time. This ease of use is a big plus for both DIY enthusiasts and professional users alike. The Hunter Green color is not just for looks. It also helps in easy identification of your tools. This can be particularly useful in busy work environments where you need to quickly grab the right tool. Overall, the Fortex Super Fork replacement heads in Hunter Green offer a blend of functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're replacing old heads or upgrading for better performance, these heads are a top choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.